Hello y'all, what's up today's video? Today's video is I'm gonna be telling you all of my fire alarms and all the stuff, and you already know about these fire alarms. I haven't gotten a new fire alarm collection yet, but I'll be planning for the next year or the next day, but I'm not ready for that yet. And also, I heard what happened in Roblox today. You still have to check your age. They're never bringing chat back, so there's nothing you can do about it. So, and you know what? Screw you, Mr. David. Mr. David, the Rolling Stone. If you're watching this, screw you, because you're not allowed to watch in my video. Only for the fans or fire alarm fans, not just some stupid Rolex owner trying to not to bring the chat. Unfortunately, they're still not bringing the chat, which I'm kind of disappointed about. But there's the you haven't checked what's inside in the whole the Copeland. So here's my first pulling fire alarm, because you know as you know what happened, the Wheelock 7002T going from the new building where I replaced the Spencer Alert Owl series. They are now I'm not showing the Spencer Alert Owl series. It is I don't want to take a video of it, because I'm about to put it back for the next, like, some days. But you know what, this is the poll station. This was from 2023. This one was from 2022. This is probably a 7-year-old pool station, by the ways. So here's the coal plant. It is very old. It's from 2024. Oh crap! And I'm not installing this thing. I'm not installing it in the wall. So yeah. However, my voice kind of changed a little bit. So yeah. Remember when I was younger, I was making popular videos, but unfortunately, I'm back to another farm video, because now what? Because C Alarm made is almost closer to. He needs to go. He needs to get back to. He needs to get to at least maybe like 1,000 subscribers for him. But also, by the way, well, we're gonna be checking. You guys haven't checked what happened to there, so, cause I don't have a key anymore, so I think I may have put somewhere else there, but whatever. But here's the Copeland though. It's very old, and here you go. First, let's go to the fake BG12. Overall, the fake BG12 is made in China, and Chinese. Oh my god. Chinese fire alarms are made in China, so I never wanted a Chinese fire alarm like this. QWork. You know what, guys? Look how many brands we have. We have QWork, the fake Spencer QWork try to copy American fire alarms, and here we have the Simplex QWork, and we have the System Sensor or Spencer Alert. We have the Wheelock 7001T, and the Wheelock 7002T is not here anymore, so it's gonna come for maybe at least a while, for a bit. But like what I said, the Wheelock 7002T is not here, so you're gonna have to at least wait for about 22 days, cause now it used to sat there for maybe 4 days now, so it's been a while since we haven't checked the Wheelock 7002T. I have my own screw. That's how I just installed, but I'm not sure what I'm trying to say. But by the way, it's pretty busy to me. I have a hard time making this video. So and in a case if you're a Chinese fire alarm, you're a fan of this kind of fire alarms. Three Chinese fire alarms. Even though this one's made in Japan, I think it's still a Chinese looking. So 7 fire alarm collections. I'm planning to get to 10. So I'm also planning to get a fire alarm panel again. But I'm not sure what I'm planning to get. I still don't trust Simplex at all. Fire alarm panels are absolutely trash, but I also heard fire alarm panels are also not dangerous too. I still don't trust them, but I'm planning to get one. So this one, that guy, they're both Chinese. Only the one American Pulse station. The color logo is starting to fade. The pull, so yeah, it's old. It's now back to pink. I don't know how did they even do that, but this was from 2023. It's now 6 years old, but the BG12 is older than this. Just like this one, it's older and this one are older than this guy. Actually, I bought this from 2024. I forgot. Sorry, I can't remember the date because I completely forgot it. The years keep moving, and you know what, guys? Why does the year have to keep moving so fast? Literally. Bruh. Okay. Now 40, 50, 80. Of course, go if you're in this YouTube, thank you for watching this video. CER Safety, thank you for watching this video. Firearm Dude 5967, thank you for watching this YouTube, and the I'm not sure what kind of guy is this. Fire alarm fan. If you're watching this, thank you for watching my channel at the first time, or if you guys still watch, I still glad. I'm still happy though. And you know what, guys? Let's go check. So we have the this let me know in the comments which one, guys, do you like. You like this one or this one or this one? I'm about to be posting these soon. For now, I cannot post anything right now. And you know, this farm, what I like is the logos. It has like a fire, and I also kind of like this thing too. And I also like the logo that says pull. And I also like the brand too, the white logo, but I noticed it's starting to fade. So this all is starting to fade, just like this one, because you know, I'm also planning to repaint this because this thing has been scratched. It's maybe like it's old, I guess, but the call point is actually, I don't know what you want me to say, but you could either say it's a keyword, you could either say it's a ugly looking fire alarm. So just nervous, you know. But you know, for this fire alarm, I actually like the pull, like, you know, the pull finger. It's like there's like many fire alarm to use, like where you can pull like different types. Look, by doing this, and by pulling this, like this one, like for example, like this kind of fire alarm. But I'm not gonna do that for now. I'm gonna plan to do it anyways. But here's this thing. I'm gonna be opening this thing, so you guys will check inside. The video will pause, and the video will start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so screws are now removed. Let's take this thing out. Oh crap! God, how do I do this thing? Crap! Should I at least do this? Got errors left, but here goes the fire alarm. You haven't seen it turn on yet, but This is the button. It's how the fire alarm breaks and the fire alarm activates. This is the red light. This is only the button. This is the button right here. You see this one? This is the button. Like this. Look at this. Yeah. And here's the fire alarm, of course. You have the fire alarm call point, I guess, if that's what you want to call, but I don't have time for that, so let's go try to figure out what's going on here. It's very hard to reset because I don't have a key like this, so never ever. Like, this cover needs to be fixed too because it has cracks now. Ah, crap. Like this one. Where would this pole logo go? Well, in case if you're wondering. Wait, what the? This is how cursed this thing looks. When someone tries to pull it, it doesn't even break. But at least if they do this, hell yeah, it will break. Oh shoot. It broke. It broke! Oh my god. Okay, I just got the new one. I just bought this from eBay, so I got this from Temu, unfortunately. Temu fire alarms are better. Obviously, Temu fire alarms ain't better at all. Knockoff. It's freaking on knockoff. They are twins now. Now, we're gonna move on soon to the other fire alarms. So, here's my final pull before moving on this and before pulling this again. Here you go. Call point. Just kidding. Push in, pull down. Pull down. Moving on to the fire alarms. The crap. What the hell? Crap, sorry. The chair is lazy to move. So here's the Wheelock 7001T. What the hell is that sound? Jeweler Simplex fire alarm, Q-Work fire alarm, and give me that. Jewish curse. Okay, the system sensor smoke detector once again. I had to name it. Of course, the Hornstroke. This is the only one Hornstroke I have. This is the one that sound awful lately. So here's the Wheelock 7001T. And in case if you're wondering why the paint's there, because the paint from this one is scattered now, so I had to repaint it in order for it to be in good condition. God. My finger's allergic to paint, so. C-Alarm, this is you. I know this is your favorite fire alarm. C-Alarm's favorite fire alarm is this one. C-Alarm, I have 3 of your fire alarm collections. This is your collection. Which is, yeah, but mine's broken, so. It's not about this pole station, but this one's broken. Look at this. If for example, if I add my finger there, that's broken, unfortunately. But here's the True Alert. This is the only True Alert I only have, and of course, I'm planning to get another one. Siren Strobe. Unfortunately, flashes faster. Wires. And of course, the Simplux logo is still there, but it's not fading at all because this is only 1 year old. It's my Virtual R2. Wait! Okay. Just got back. This is the QWERTY fire alarm. It sounded horrible. I've been testing it, but if you want to see what's inside there, okay. Just got the screws out, and guess what? Guess what? The cover's now removed. Here's this thing. Now you can see what this fire alarm inside looks like. So the glue is actually there. That's Amazon's fault for doing that. So if you want to check inside to see how it looks, don't try me. So you already seen this video, so don't try me again. So this is the QWERTY annoying device. Well, let's see what this look between the TrueAlert. Now here's just between the difference of the device. This is the TrueAlert device. It's color blue. And this is a QWERTY device, the fake Spencer Alert. It's green. And here's the cover, the QWERTY fire alarm siren, the mixed with a fake Spencer Alert or System Sensor Classic, and the real fire alarm has cover. So let's put everything back. This one's even hard to remove. This one's easy to remove though. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2.